This is a quick demo of a new add-in that I just created for Word. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to use ChatGPT inside of Word to go out and reformat some text and to go out and create things. So what I've got is I've got this add-in here, and it's got all of the different models that are available through ChatGPT and OpenAI. And then I'm just going to say, write a story about a chicken. So what I can do is I can just select any text that I've got here and then go and tell it to push it through to ChatGPT. So this is going to take a little bit. It's going out through the API and going out and using a couple of tokens along the way. And then in a second, we're going to get the story back directly here within Word. So this is the first thing that that I can do. So now we've got our story. So this is pretty nice. It's once upon a time. It was small down on Cloverdale. We've got Cluck Norris, which is funny, and then there's the donkey as well. And then this went out and created a pretty long story for us. Now what I can do is I can select this, and I've got another option here, and I could say rise this. So I'm going to say to take the story that it went out and created and summarize it. So now it's sending all that information back, the story about Cluck Norris and the donkey, and then it's created that summarization for me. Now, if I wanted to, I could expand on this, and then I'll take that same story that I want and create a new story using ChatGPT based off the summary that I made from the original story. And so that's going to be working away. While it's doing that, there's some other things that we can do here. We can go out and we can change the number of tokens. We can change the randomness of it. So again, we've got now a new version of the story that's out here, and then talking again about, in this case, Cluck Norris and Donkey Marlon. And if I want to, I could go and take some of this, or actually I'll copy this, paste it down here, and go create an abstract of this. And I'm going to select just part of this to show you something else that I did, and I'll say create an abstract from this, then send it again to ChatGPT. And what this is going to do is this is just going to take the items that we've highlighted and create the abstract. So there's the abstract, and I could say story, and now I've got all of this being created directly here within Word through a really simple add-in that I just created using Visual Studio. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's a nice way to go out and work with documents directly here inside of Word. This is going to be probably obsolete when the standard stuff comes out from Office, but again, I think it's pretty cool.